channel. So today I'm doing a video on my Chevy Colorado. This winter I took the air dam off just to give me a little more clearance for driving through the snow. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back on for summer. Now they say that it gives you better fuel economy. That's something I'm going to test here later this summer. You might be the type that likes to have it on when you're just driving around normal, but you like to go off-road. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make it so it's a lot easier to take this on and off. Okay, so here's the air dam. I've already removed one of these just to see if it would work, and it looks like it will. But anyway, you want to remove your screws here. And we want to just lift that up some and it'll come right off. Okay, so I already got one on, and I'm going to try the other one here. And I don't know if the camera picked it up, but they got like a little thing on them, so once they're in the hole they won't move. I was worried that if you put them on here they might come out, but they don't. They're in there pretty tight. So anyway, all you got to do, just slide them on, and when they reach the hole they'll stop because that little piece that comes up out. So anyway, I got to go around and do that to all of them, and then once I get them all in, we'll put the air dam on, and I'll time how long it takes to put on and how long it takes to take back off. Okay guys, so I got them all up in, and as you can see they stay in there, they won't come out. But there is one issue. They're all good except for this one here. I'll show you what I mean. You go to put this screw up in. See how it pulls down? Because it's this plastic piece. The end of the nut's going on it, so it just keeps prying down, so you don't want that. So what we're going to do is real simple. We'll just pull this back out, and then we're just going to drill a hole. So that shouldn't be an issue anymore. Slide this back in. You can pretty much tell when it locates. There it goes. Okay guys, so as is often the case, things didn't go quite as planned. I was able to put all of them up through the bottom except for these center three. You see how it tapers in? You can't get nothing up in there to get the screws in. So the center three are going to have to be kept stock, but you got lots of room to get to these three. All the other ones work pretty good except for these. I think it's this one here you have a little issue with, but I'll show you how to do that. I still think starting from the center is still probably the best option. Pretty well just start it by hand first. Well, this isn't going to make it super fast. It's still better than what it is stock, because you don't have to take out them side panels. And then we'll go over to the very end. Over to this end. It's easier just to get them all started. These ones here, probably going to have to use a ratchet. Now this one here, to finish tightening it up, you just push up on this. So that one's nice and tight. You gotta be careful not to strip these. They strip quite easy. Okay, how long was that? Okay, so about 8 minutes. I didn't have the ratchet out here because I'm gonna have to use the ratchet for these ones, so we'll say another minute. And that one there I never finished getting. So we'll say 10 minutes total. If you have something better for tools, it'd probably be quicker. Like I said, on these ones here, you have to push up so you can get the bit in there. Okay, so that's tight. So they're all tight except for these three. I need the ratchet. Okay, now to get these center ones, like I say, just get a little ratchet. Okay, so she's on there, nice and firm. I figure about 10 minutes to get that off, and probably 10 to put it back on. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.